Hey friends, Miss Wendy here with the Fairfield Public Library, and today we will be making a favorite activities spinner, just like this one. Come join me and I'll show you how to make it.
So friends, in the kit that you picked up at the library, you will find a craft stick with a hole drilled in it, a paper plate, a small chenille stem, 2 beads, and a sheet of paper. You'll also need some additional items: coloring supplies, a pencil, scissors, tape, and a ruler is optional. Let's clear off our workspace and get started. So the craft today is a favorite activities spinner. That means that you'll need to come up with some favorite activities that you like to do. So think about that while we're starting our craft. So the first thing that we want to do is go ahead, flip your plate over, draw a circle on the piece of paper, and cut that out. Now, in order to find the center, go ahead and fold your circle in half and then in half again. So these two lines where they intersect, that is the center of the circle. So go ahead and just snip off the tiniest bit of the center there and open it back up. So that is the center. Bring your plate over and center the circle on your plate. Now, with a sharpened pencil, you can pop through this plate, and that's the center of your plate there. So now, use the rest of your paper or the back of your insert here to write down things that you like to do. Now, you can divide your plate into 4, 6, 8, those are good numbers, of things that you like to do. So go ahead and think of some good things. I like to play jump rope. All right, so these are the 8 things that I came up with, and you can come up with your own list. And now, what we're gonna do, you can use the optional ruler to go ahead and draw the sections of your plate, or you can use the edge. If you don't have a ruler, you can use the edge of the envelope. So go ahead and draw a line with the center point there. If you have a ruler, you can make it more precise, but I'm going to draw that line that way, and then I'm going to make a cross and try to make it even. Oops. So if you just wanted to come up with 4 activities, then you can leave your plate like this and start decorating. I'm going to go ahead and make 8, so I'm going to do that one more time. So I'm making a line through the center, and then I'm going to shift my plate again and make a line through the center. All right, and that's divided. My plate is divided now into 8 sections. So now, using your coloring materials, decorate your plate any way that you would like, and also you can go ahead and write in your activities. All right, friends, nice job. Now, take our craft stick, and we're gonna draw an arrow. You can draw. All right, so now we are going to assemble our spinner. So take your chenille stem and your 2 beads, and we'll also need our tape. Now go ahead and poke your chenille stem through the plate, turn the plate over, and go ahead and push your chenille stem down and tape it into place. Doesn't matter where, so just tape it so that it stays. Now flip over again, and we're gonna thread 1 bead on your craft stick arrow and the next bead. Now with this part, you can, being careful with the top, you can make it into a little ball on top, and then this is your spinner. Get your friends, your family to play with you, and whatever the spinner lands on, you have to do. You might have to adjust the spinner a little bit, pull it up, make it a little tighter, make it a little looser, but go ahead and test it out and see how you like it. And I hope you have fun with your activity spinner. All right, friends, remember to clean up. Nice job. Woohoo!
So friends, I hope you had so much fun making your favorite activity spinner. Please check our calendar for upcoming DIY events and other events here at the library. Oh, and if you're doing our winter reading challenge, put this word in your Beanstack account for some extra points. Have a great day, friends. Thanks so much for joining me. Bye-bye.